Have it here for you. This is Wednesday, September 30th. Hopefully everyone's off to a great start this week. Kind of remember the first half of this week was for two things. Making revisions to our Unit 1 materials, redoing the test if need be, and then there was a student survey to fill out. Both those are really important things to be taken care of. With the revisions, anything you revise, please make sure you send me an email that goes along with it. That way I kind of know to go back and check it. If you're just submitting it for the first time in Schoology, you're going to be fine. You don't need to send me an email. But definitely want to see you filling out that student survey. It kind of helps me set this class up the best way I can for you. For kind of after that, later half of today, Thursday, Friday, great things to be working on is getting into our 2.1 and 2.2 section. We got notes for both of those sections available. About an hour and a half of notes I'm expecting for you. With that hour and a half, though, remember, part of that is spending time on the study guide. Part of that is spending time on those check for understandings. And you get to all that through our Unit 2 learning resources flow. That's the green one in the Unit 2. The big assignment for the end of this week, it's a longer tutorial video, so definitely want to make sure you're kind of watching it as you're working on the assignment. I've tried to lay out some different times throughout the assignment. And you want to be making sure that you're kind of doing that assignment as it's instructed, because it's a new skill we're learning. It's a skill we're going to use later on in this unit. It should take you about an hour and a half. As always, if you've got any questions, please let me know. Thanks, guys.